We are back with some hacking in visionOS. This is happening. Okay, so I wanted to actually accomplish something real this time with some code that I wrote, like something that I kind of built. And so the first thing I wanted to try and do was get some ARKit action set up and actually play some content in ARKit. And in order to do that properly, you need to turn on authentication for world sensing. And also in the Vision Pro now, in Vision OS, we have hand tracking. So I did some hacking for about half the evening, trying to get the authorization mechanism set up to do world sensing and hand tracking. And I tried explicit authorization and it doesn't work. And I tried implicit authorization, which is supposed to work when you call the run method on the ARKit session object, and that doesn't work. So this could be a deliberate decision by Apple because, in the simulator on iOS, you can't actually do anything with ARKit really. You have to do it on device. So it could be deliberate. We may have to wait for actual hardware to do actual ARKit, which honestly is kind of a bummer because I want to actually take content and put it on the wall or put it on the floor so I can stomp on it. But I can't do that right now. So I don't know why. Maybe it's just me, but maybe I have to wait for actual hardware. So I decided to do the second best thing, which is take some 2D content. Again, I'm trying to take artwork and place it in immersive space and put it in the virtual space using RealityKit. I've never really worked with RealityKit before, but I did manage to get something working by actually creating a new material and grabbing a texture and embedding it into the app and applying that texture to the actual material and then dropping it into the world space and changing the overall transformation and changing the overall rotation. And here we are. Here is one of my wife's paintings. However, the actual transform needs to be inverted along the x-axis, so I haven't quite fixed that yet. And I think the scale of the painting is not correct, but we'll fix that next time. But this is really cool. You can move around, you can see the lighting conditions are being applied, and so you can already start to imagine how this app could unfold. That I could have all this content over here on the left side of being able to peruse my wife's artwork. You could tap on one of these things and it would drop it right here in the virtual space. So I think next time, I don't know if it's gonna be tomorrow, we'll see how motivated I am. But the next thing I want to be able to do is to actually select this thing using my mouse. Of course, in the real world, we would use hand tracking of some sort and use some kind of a gesture recognizer to actually rotate, move this thing around, change the scale. That's probably ambitious for one session, so I may need to split it up across multiple sessions. But I'm pretty happy with this so far. Something is actually here and actually works, and you can see all the detailed texture of this beautiful painting of oranges. Anyway, that's all I've got for now. Thanks a lot. Subscribe, click the... Oh, sorry, wrong channel. But anyway, you get the idea, and I'll see you on the flip side. Thanks.